everybody, my name is David and welcome to This Is Life. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back everybody. That's right, it's time to start the vlog. We have dress up with Ava and Mama. First things first. Oh my god. This looks so much better. Now that the shoe closet is no longer a shoe closet, it's time to clean something else. Somebody else. Cooper, you stink. Now that Cooper smells very good, him, my mom, Jackie, and Logan are going to Petco, PetSmart, one of them, I don't remember. And the boys need collars, all the pups.
We're at Petco. Cooper, be a good boy. That's all right. Get them all, tuck it out. Did you sleep in later? Oh, not this one. Oh, there's another one.
Well, that's going to be it for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Cooper made a little friend. He got a nice bath. And check out his collar. I'm going to drop the picture right on the side of me. There it is. And he also got a little skull and crossbones pendant. I really like that. Because my dog is a bad mother effer. Anyway, subscribe for more content. The next vlog will be out this week, this Thursday, for May the 4th. That's right, Ava. May the 4th be with you. We'll see you then. Subscribe for more content and like this video. Peace. Show Cooper some love.